Hey everyone, welcome to a Good e-Reader video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
The biggest new trend in Android in 2018 has been light apps. Now these are lightweight versions of their flagship apps. So as you know, Amazon Kindle, Spotify, Instagram, Google Chrome, these are big flagship apps that have a ton of functionality, but they're not really indicative to a great e-reading experience.
So we'll start with Google Go. This is the browser. It's about 1 MB. You can see it just immediately starts. We'll go to...
there's no bloat?
Nothing.
Like, there's no even a Google logo on it.
Just Yahoo. It immediately finds all the Yahoo sites. You click on Yahoo, and 1, 2, 3 seconds it develops, and the whole site is loaded. So extremely lightweight. So this is the Kindle Lite app. You can see everything loads up. There's not a lot of things hanging around. There's 4 sections at the bottom.
Yep. So you have like your library, shows everything in chronological order. The store actually allows you to buy digital content right from Amazon. As the book is in the process of downloading, you can actually start reading right away.
We're going to click on After Anna. That was just a book that we synced. The book opens very quickly. They're
super fast.
Super fast. There's no long presses, and I want to point that out right now because they do that to get rid of a lot of the stuff running in the background, the dictionaries, the translators.
X-ray, all this stuff.
They get rid of all that, so all you have is page turns, but you'll notice the page turns no longer have animations. You have the slider bar down below for navigation. You have the quick go-to for the table of contents.
Or searching for specific page number.
Right. And then you only have 2 options on the sub-menu, and on this particular e-reader it's hard to touch because it's in the corner here. But once you do tap it, you have font size and night mode. So if you turn on night mode, simply reverses the colors, quote unquote. And then if you tap, we'll go back to night mode here, or daytime mode, I guess you could say. And you go to font size, and they don't really have much of anything. They just have the font size at the top. They don't have line spacing. They don't have margins. They don't have justification.
Right, so it's like a slider bar at the top here, if you can't really see that.
So you can click that now.
And it's a preview.
Right, now we must mention that when you click save, once again, there's nothing running in the background to facilitate the whole book changing, so it actually has to refresh the whole book to change the font. This is Instagram Lite. Everything loads real quick. I think this one's actually one of the bigger ones. It's about 5 MB, but scrolling is very fluid. It's super lightweight. There's nothing else running around it. There's simply just your feed. There's nothing else popping up or anything.
The main Instagram app, we've tested it on e-readers. It doesn't even load, for the most part, because it requires a super high version of Android. And the average Android e-readers, it's in the 4s. And a lot of these apps need at least Android 6, sometimes 7. So this is Spotify Lite. And as you see, just black background on white text. Scrolling is
super quick.
It's quick.
Not a whole lot of animation, just a generic scroll animation. You can click on search to bring up the keyboard like so, or you can go back and search the actual categories that they have there. So you can click from, I don't even know,
man alive, there's a lot of categories.
60 categories. For the sake of digital copyright, we can't show anything, top 40 contemporary, so we will have to show some classical. But
or get DMCA'd into oblivion.
This is just to show you that it works. So we'll choose Beethoven, because safe to say that Beethoven's old enough.
Obviously, not all e-readers have built-in stereo speakers. We are using the Onyx Book Note, which actually has Bluetooth for wireless headphones or speakers, but also built-in speakers that are on the back. Let us know if you think that there's a future in Lite and Go apps on e-readers. Drop a comment below. For GoodEreader.com, my name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.